Good morning. Good morning, everyone. You are listening to KONR 106.1 FMLP Out North Radio. It is 7:01 in the morning on a Friday, and that means it's Kelly Lee in the morning time. Now, normally, I usually start with my nice hot diet of the big three: Michael Jackson, Prince, Whitney Houston. Not today, because we need to hear a very special song, because my Chicago Cubs are winners. That's right. Going to the National League Championship Series. Go Cubs. Go, baby.
Baseball season's underway. Well, you better get ready for a brand new day. Go Cubs, go! Go Cubs, go! Hey Chicago, what do you say? The Cubs are gonna win today.
Go Cubs, go. Go Cubs, go. Hey, Chicago, what do you say? Cubs are going to win today.